Everyone, my name is Ellen. Welcome to my channel. It's been a hot minute since I've recorded a video. Actually, it's probably over a month. Been busy between work and life, vacation time, getting a year older, losing a few hairs, some renovations going on in my home. I have had a leak a few months ago and I had to have all my flooring replaced. So needless to say, it was a bit a hot mess here, and I think I'm back. But for my subscribers who are returning, thank you. I appreciate you. For my new subscribers that have recently joined, although I haven't been recording, I appreciate it. And thank you for watching my video. If you like it, hit the like button. And again, thanks. So today's video is going to be Boggy Creek. My Boggy Creek blankets that I've done this year so far. You know, the beginning of the year, over the winter, I worked on a few. The past month, I did the cat's Meow. And I think another one that I finished. So far, I think I have 5. The Boggy Creek blankets are being sent to Boggy Creek Camp, which is in Eustis, Florida. And this is headed up by Nancy at She's Got Yarn too. And a few of other creators, Lynanne from Nina's Knots and Crochet, Lynette from Charmed Grammy, Billy the Crafty Floridian. She's stepped in the background, but she's still she's still active in it, collecting these blankets for this special needs medical needs, I should say, for children that attend this camp in Florida. Also new on the board is Juan the Yarn Addict. So let me get ahead and go ahead and show you my blankets that I've done thus far this year. I'll probably do a few more. So the first one I have here, this is done in Karen Simply Soft. And the color Himalayan Salt and a peach. And I think the other one is Persimmon. It's very pretty. When I started it, it was before the Taylor Swiftie dress. I probably would have put maybe a little bit of a purplish color in, because then it would have pretty much been the same color as Taylor Swift's dress. But I think one of the young girls will get a kick out of this. And yeah, so this is just a, I think it's just a granny in the rectangle. Very easy, very heavy. The Karen Simply Soft is a heavy yarn. This here one I did, this is, I think this is Fruit Punch. It's a corner to corner. Cinnamon Swirl, Fruit Punch. Very pretty. You can see all the colors. And we're trying to get to the bright colors for the kids this year. But you know, corner to corner works up very quickly. And it's easy. It's an easy stitch you could do while, you know, watching television, watching a show. Speaking of shows, so funny, you know, Bag O' Day and many of the other YouTube creators have gotten some mystery bags from Line Brand, and in the bags were, I think she got like 12 Schitt's Creek in that green color. And I had never watched Schitt's Creek, but I said, oh, I gotta see what the show is about. So I started binge watching it, you know, on the streaming service. It's really funny. But not something I'd usually watch, but I got a kick out of it. So, and I did not get any mystery bags from Lion Brand because I really don't want the green yarn. But, so this is my next one. This is a waffle stitch, Boggy Creek blanket, and this is done in the Yarn Bee sugar wheel. And I got this yarn on the clearance this year. Hobby Lobby, I should say, clearance. This yarn is lovely. It's so soft and squishy. And the waffle stitch is fun. I enjoy doing it. I've done it before, but it's been quite a while. But love the colors of this one. Very, it's purple, the blues, a little bit of olive, and teal. Okay, my next one is another corner to corner done in a cinnamon swirl cake from Karen. This one is fruit punch. Very pretty colors, boy or girl. And yeah, I wanted to film video these I should say, before I send them off to Nancy at She's Got Yarn, because they're taking up a lot of room in my house, and I want to get to the post office and send them to her. And the goal for this year's collection is 2025 and 2025. So by January to have 2025 and the blanket count. So Boggy Creek is for medically children that have medical needs that wouldn't normally be able to go to a sleepaway camp. I'm gonna say, if you want to participate, if you're interested and curious, watch Nancy at She's Got Yarn too, or Lynn Ann at Nina's Knots and Crochet, or Lynette, Charmed Granny. They know everything about the blanket drive and the specifics. So I'm just showing my blankets. So Laura at Man, Mimi, Crochet and Farming, and Jan the Alaskan Crafter. Actually, I think this was Laura's idea, this pattern, although they're both in on it. The pattern is the Cat's Meow, and it's by Sweet Potato 3. She's the designer, or that's her channel, or I'm not sure exactly what her name is. I don't have the pattern in front of me. But it's the Cat's Meow blanket, and I finished mine. I did mine in Big Twist Mountainside and Pound of Love pumpkin spice, I think it is, pumpkin pie. But yeah, I love the way it came out. So you can see the cat. As I said, it's called the Cat's Meow. And I will say this was fun once you started it was an easy pattern, just a lot of counting. And to get it, a lot of people had an issue getting it to gauge, because the blankets need to be a certain size. Although the original pattern did say the size would be, I think it was 40 by 50. If you did, I know when I tried to do it, and the original stitch which was the half knotted double crochet, it was getting too large. So I did mine in simple half double crochet, the entire, and it came out 39 by 50. So right in the size needed for Boggy Creek blankets. So I wanted to get these recorded before I send them off to Nancy. It's only August. I'm sure I'll get a few more done before the end of the year, but I want to get these into the mail. But in any case, thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed seeing my blankets. It's been fun. I like doing the Boggy Creek blankets. They're quick. They're, of course, they're not big bed size. So yeah, usually when I have working on a blanket for like a queen size bed, and it's in timeout because it's so heavy on me, but these are great. I enjoy doing them, and it's for the kids. So stop by the other channels. Nancy at She's Got Yarn, Lynn Ann, Nina's Knots and Crochet, Lynette, Charmed Granny, or Juan, the Yarn Addict, and also Billy, the Crafty Floridian. And they have many videos out about the blanket drive for Boggy Creek. So thank you for stopping by. If you enjoyed it, please hit like, and have a great day.